The bottom line is, we ended up, because of Ken Browne, we ended up with more than 3 times the amount of money that the insurance company had originally offered us. He actually got us enough money that we were able to completely rebuild our home. So now we not only had the home that we originally had loved, but we loved it even better.
So after a couple of months of trying to work through the process myself and becoming very frustrated, and we ultimately decided to hire Ken to help us work through this process. We felt like that was our only option in order to get what we needed in order to restore our home.
What about you? How did you make out with your insurance company?